Hi, I'm Keith, Director of User Experience.
And I'm Ethan, Product Manager for Imagine Language and Literacy. There are many things technology does really well, and Imagine Learning has leveraged this technology to intelligently personalize content for your students. We're excited to tell you about some new tools that'll help your students receive the next level of differentiated instruction.
For example, we talked with an educator in Chicago who said that she had a student who was interested in the solar system, and her classroom library didn't have the right resources available. Now with the redesigned Activity Explorer, you can look up activities and books on the topics that your students are interested in and assign them directly to them. She's going to receive these activities in the order in which I've assigned them.
Providing this additional enrichment to your students will help keep them engaged in reading and learning based on their specific interests. Sometimes it's difficult to find activities that build confidence for their striving readers who need intensive intervention. Let's show you how.
So here inside the Activity Explorer, I can click on letter sounds. And I've already set up this playlist called Letter Sounds Short A. So I'm going to add a couple of activities here. And then also as they start to play through the playlist, I'll start to see the amount of time that they've spent in the playlist. So let's say you were planning to start a new unit with your students and you want to give your students some pre-work to prepare them for the topic. So let's just add a couple of these to a playlist that we've called Classroom Instruction Animals. I can again see here the activities that I've assigned to this playlist, and I could add all if I wanted to. Or what I could do is I could just project this in front of the whole classroom and play through it with the entire class.
Our team is so proud of these new tools, and we can't wait for you to use them. Your homework is to log into my.imaginelearning.com and create your own playlist.
Hi, I'm Keith, Director...